Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Lexus HS250. First, make sure your mobile device's Bluetooth is active and discoverable. For safety, always park your vehicle in a secure location before attempting to pair any devices. Once parked, navigate to the Setup menu on your Lexus display screen. This is the starting point for all your connectivity options. From the Setup menu, you'll want to select the Bluetooth option. This will open up the Bluetooth settings for your vehicle. Next, choose Add New Device to begin the pairing process. Your Lexus HS250 will then start scanning for nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices, including your phone. Be patient as it searches for your device. Once your phone appears on the car's display, select its name from the list. A pairing code will then be shown on both your phone and the Lexus screen. Verify that these codes match exactly before confirming. Finally, your phone might ask for permission to access contacts and messages. Accept these prompts to enable full functionality. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free calling, making and receiving calls safely while driving. You can also stream your favorite music or podcasts directly through the Lexus HS250 audio system. Remember, you can always manage or remove paired devices through the Bluetooth settings menu whenever needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.